Hello, what's up guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. So if you're new here, karibu sana, karibu. I appreciate you just taking a minute to watch this video. I'm grateful. Also, if you're new, please subscribe, like, and comment for my returnees. Thank you very much. What's up, my people? I've missed you. It's been a minute, yeah. So, anyway, today I've decided to do what's in my bag video because, whenever I go out, my guys' friend are always acting like, "Mnabebaga nini kwa bag?" So I thought, why not answer their questions by making a video on what's inside my bag, just to tell them what's inside my bag. So it's another great video for you guys. Watch until the end. Thank you. So let's get right into the video. So yeah, this is the bag that I'm using today. I got this from a bag store just near our place. So yeah, and it's my favorite bag for the week. I always change bags like every week. So it's my favorite bag for the week. What I love most about it is like iko spacious, ni kubwa. You can carry like so many stuff in it. And since narudi shule soon, I thought getting this bag would really be nice because yeah, itanisaidia kubeba books and my other stuff. Najua tu maisha ya shule na vitabu imerudi na lapi na nini, so I need something big to carry everything at once, nisikuwe na load mingi. So I'm going to take you guys to what's inside my bag. So to start as well, I'm going to start with the most important thing in the bag, my mask. Like nowadays you can't walk without mask unless unataka kushikwa ulipe pesa. So sitaki kwenda jela juu ya mask. So I have my mask. It's very important to have one, by the way. And another thing, I have this. This is my wallet. Yeah. So here I have everything that I need. My cash, my cards. When you're going out, going for school, going anywhere, you need to carry your own cash bana. Hata kama unaenda na mtu date amkwambia atakulipia kila kitu, just carry your cash. You never know, huyo mtu anaweza kosa kuja ama akuje mkosani katikati ya date, utatembea kurudi home. Beba pesa yako. If it's in the phone, well and good, that's good. Also, you need cards in case you need to withdraw money or anything, I don't know. But siku hizi simu imeweka vitu rahisi, we don't use cards that much, but it's good to have one. So this is my wallet. I got it also from a store, just roadside store, but it's very essential. It's nice. I have had this wallet for like 2 years now na bado inakaa mpya. So yeah, I also have this inside my bag. I call it my bag organizer. Do you know why? Because ni kadogo, but it carries everything I need every time I go out. Inside this bag is just my essential, all of them. So what I do is that whenever I'm changing bags, because I can't change the bag, you need to go with another bag. So hii ina make it easy because unaichomoa tu unaweka kwa bag nyingine. So inside it I have my handkerchief, very important. Usijisweatie the whole way, unaweza panguza sweat. This is a handkerchief. I have my glycerin. I use it in my hands when I wash. I also have this solid mafuta pia. I use it whenever I'm nimeosha mkono, because tunaosha mkono sana nowadays. So it's good to carry this just small solid or lotion, whichever you prefer, upake kwa mkono after you nawa. I have my glasses. Macho ikikataa imekataa, you need glasses. Actually my glasses case ilipasuka, I don't know penye imeenda. Sasa they are just evil, zinaharibika hata. I I also have these pads. You need this as a lady in case uanze kupata mshahara. This is a smaller version, but hii ni panty liner. And see, hii tu ni panty liner na pads zinafanya kazi moja. You know kazi ya pants ndio. Let me not explain today. So I have this one, lip gloss. Yeah. Actually, if there is something I love in my bag, is that lip gloss. Siwezi tembea bila lip gloss. I like my lips shine. Shiny. It looks attractive when they're shiny. Hakuna mtu anapenda lips zimekauka. Hapana. Lips zikikuwa zinang'ara ni supu. So yeah, I also have my lipstick. Though mimi si mtu wa lipstick sana, but I carry it just in case. Unajua, unaweza ona Mr. Right mahali utake kupaka lipstick. Yeah, so I carry my lipstick. So inside there I have my tissues. Mnajua kazi ya tissue. I also have my earphones, like siwezi tembea bila hizi. I think this is my next essential thing in my bag, right? I just love listening to music. Unajua ukilisten to music when you're walking, you're just in your own comfy world. Pia inasaidia kuassume salamu zingine. Sisemi one assume salamu, but they're just some greetings you don't need to answer. So yeah, it helps. I also have my chewing gums. Nini tena hapa ndani hakuna. I have this thing. Hii ni file ni ndogo for my nails in case they break kwa barabara, but hata siku hizi haziko, so I don't know why I carry that. So that's inside it. I also have my sanitizer. You know corona iko, you need sanitizer to sanitize. What else do I have? I have my notebook. Notebook huendana na pen. I don't know why. I love writing things down. Nisisahau mimi hadi nikienda shopping mimi huandika tunaenda kununua. Kusaidia usisahau vitu, kurudi kununua vitu si rahisi. So I also have this. This is perfume. You need to smell good, but also I carry perfume for two reasons. One ni to smell good, one ni weapon. Ukitembea kwa barabara, just spray your eyes. You go in an hospital, you come back without eyes. It's self-defense, but na watu wengine wanapataga tu pressure kwa barabara. I have this carrier bag. Hizi vitu ni hasara, because like you buy one today, when you go to the supermarket you again have to buy it. Hapana. Na sasa hizo unaambiwa ni 50 ama ni 20 na uko nazo mingi kwa nyumba, so I just carry my own budget. Pesa si rahisi kupata. So that's all that is inside my bag. So if you have anything else that you think I should carry ama vitu we ubeba, feel free to comment on the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. That's all I had for you guys. Bye bye.